Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the stop motion animation on CapCut PC. So go to menu first, go to settings, and go to edit, and make sure the image duration is 0.1 seconds. Press save. Now I have this sequence of like stop motion photos, and I'm just going to crop them one by one. It's going to be a little bit tedious, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, that's what I meant, sorry. And the quality isn't the best. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Gosh, this is not going to be accurate at all. So oops. Okay. I'll be back when I've done everything and I'll show you the result. I'm back. So it's not super accurate because the height isn't the same, but you're just going to copy, whoops, and paste it a lot of times next to each other. You can add in some filters, some effects if you'd like to. And once you're done, you're just going to export it. And that's how you can create a stop motion video on CapCut PC. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.